Well, hello. How's it going, everybody? My name's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have been following the channel, you know that I shave my beard. I'm not really happy I did it, frankly. I thought it was going to be better, but I have a baby face, and sometimes I forget that I have a little chubby baby face. So, yeah, the beard's coming back. But that's not what you came to watch this video for. We are in the 2017 Subaru WRX STI today. That's a mouthful, but we're in my STI right now. And what I'm so excited to tell you guys about is that I'm finally kind of going that Cobb Stage 2 route. I've got an NVIDIA catted downpipe at home, and I've got a full 3-inch cat back at home. It's a Greddy RS Race exhaust, so it's, like I said, full 3-inch cat back, and it's gonna sound really good. I'm freaking excited about it. It's a single exit, so that's gonna be a little different than anything I've done with the STI so far. Everything so far has been quad tip, but basically, yeah, we're gonna get that installed, as well as my cylinder 4 coolant mod, which I've been wanting to have done for a while. I originally wanted to do that myself, but I'm here in Colorado. I don't really have any tools or a garage, so I think I'm just gonna have them do a whole bunch of stuff at the same time. I'm gonna go home and get all the parts loaded up in the car, and then we're gonna head to the shop, and I'll talk to you a little bit more on the drive to the shop. Never mind. I guess I'm not really sure when I'm dropping off my car and all the parts. There was an active shooter at the grocery store like 6 blocks from our apartment, and now I'm stuck at a bar drinking beer. So at least the beer's good. Anyway, I guess now is as good a time as any to talk about the whole plan for the car. Essentially, I'm having this NVIDIA catted downpipe installed, as well as my Greddy RS Race single exit catback, and then in about a week or two, something like that, I'm gonna have the car dyno tuned at Jazz Tuning in Golden, Colorado. So basically I'm going like kind of a Cobb Stage 2 type of thing. But yeah, for now, I'm just drinking beer. Hey guys, yeah, I know I'm in scrubs, but that's because I just had to film this right now because I was thinking about it. I wasn't able to film dropping the car off at Subie Doctor that day. That was the same day that the Boulder shooting happened. There was a whole bunch of stuff going on in Boulder where I'm staying, and I actually wasn't even able to get home because all the roads were like closed off because they were like FBI was there, all that stuff. So I had to wait to get home for like 4 or 5 more hours, and I finally got home, got the parts, and brought the car to Subie Doctor at night. So with that being said, we're gonna jump to me picking the car up at Subie Doctor like a couple days later. Oh wow, look at all these Subarus. They're all over. Okay, we're back at the Subie Doctor, and my car is right there, and there's nowhere to park. I'm gonna park, and we're gonna go fire up the car for the first time with a new exhaust. What? I just saw the tip, and it looks amazing. Oh, look at that. Big single tip out back. That's gonna look so good. I can't wait to hear it. All right, I'm gonna go inside and pay and all that stuff. Can you get a couple, like, blip it a couple times so I can hear it? I'm in the STI, I'm driving back towards Boulder, and first impressions anyway, well, this is probably the loudest exhaust that I've had on this car so far. Even the muffler deletes, I feel like weren't quite this boomy. You can hear it in the background. Listen to this. I'll just do like half throttle. It's a lot of drone, so I don't know. I'm gonna see about having like some Helmholtz chambers custom made, but for now I'm okay. Like, I can handle some drone. I've dealt with it for a long time, so whatever. What's interesting is I ended up putting the Cobb Stage 2 off-the-shelf tune on this car for the drive home, basically, and until I can get the base map loaded up. I had a custom base map made by Jazz Tuning out of Golden, Colorado. Essentially, I'm gonna have the base map loaded up probably within a day or so, and then I'm gonna start data logging. He's gonna e-tune for me for the first like week or two, and then sometime in April we're gonna get the car on the dyno, and I will show you all of that if I can. I'm just not sure what the rules are as far as actually being there while he's dyno tuning, but I would really like to get some dyno sheets for this car, and just in general get like a good Pro Tune setup where I know it's going to be as reliable as possible for long term. Let's get you guys some exhaust clips so you can see kind of what it sounds like right now. And it's great on the outside. It's a little droney on the inside, so that's okay, whatever. That's the price of car mods.